Hello friends, this is Sheetal Jain. Welcome to my channel Shitu-da-art. In Christmas Decor series, I am bringing a second video. So in this we will be making a DIYs by using this wooden planks. So firstly we will be just roughly drawing or writing the words which we want here. So I am writing here Christmas related words and quotes. So you can write anything you want. So roughly we have to mark it with pencil. Similarly we will be doing all for all three. You can see I had roughly written. Now we will be just painting it with acrylic white paint. I am giving a rustic effect. I am not solidly painting it. So for you can use a different color for different planks. So I had used grey, red and white color. So you can see how it's looking. And then we will be just highlighting the words which we had written with the pencil different color. So here I'm just highlighting the words, you can see. So here I am writing just a quotes related to Christmas. So you can see I had just done all of the quotes and words. I just had decorated with a rope, jute rope. I will be similarly doing to this also. For one board I am just adding a snowflake here. So just for making that snowflake I will be just doing it with paper. So you can see in the video how I folded it and I am making. So in this way we will be making the snowflake and we will be just pasting it on the plank. You can see in the video how I decorate the planks. Now by using these planks we will be seeing two decor arrangements. Let's see.